Dear students, in this unit we will talk about fish. As you are aware that fish are vertebrates with more than 25,000 different species which are existing in different aquatic environment, whether it's a freshwater or it's a marine water or the oceans. Now, the general different classes of fish that includes jawless fishes, then there are cartilaginous fishes, then we have bony fishes. Now these bony fishes, they have two main groups. One is the ray-finned fish, while the other one is lobe-finned fish. When we talk about the scientific terminology with which we study fish, it is called as ichthyology. So ichthyology is basically the study of fish. Now, fish are one of the most diverse and successful of living vertebrates that have occupied almost all of the water bodies, whether they are freshwater bodies or they are oceans or marine water bodies. They have a highly developed sensory system, and they have a two-chambered heart that pumps oxygenated blood into different parts of their bodies. Now here in the diagram you can see this is the bony fish, which is the common fish just like rahu or some other type of fishes including trout. Then we have this cartilaginous fish. This you can see shark is the example of the cartilaginous fishes. They have successfully inhabited different aquatic ecosystems. As they live in the water, so in order to get oxygen, they use gills. They have a specialized gills which help them get the oxygen which is very necessary for every cell of the body. When we talk about their eating strategy, fish are cold-blooded animals. You can call them poikilotherms, which means that they cannot regulate their temperature. So if the temperature of the water is cold, their body temperature also gets cold. So they have no ability to regulate their temperature, body temperature, just like birds or humans. Their brain is relatively small and simple as compared to other vertebrates. So these are some of the characteristic features of different types of fish.